Hi guys, I got a new Lego and this Lego name is Emergency Ambulance, and this might be the quickest one we ever done because look how much pieces. It's 184 and it's 5'8". That's like the shortest one we ever got, and also I saw this Lego before in Walmart. And this is Lego City, and the number is 60451, and it's Lego City. But I always said it, but I said it 2 times. But it doesn't matter. But let's start building. I opened it like this, and that was like the one I never had help. But let me do it. This is my first time I seen this. I thought this box were at France and USA, but it wasn't. It was also at Canada. I didn't know that, guys. But let's start building. And this is, where I bought this Lego from. I bought this today, and I bought this at Canadian Tire. And I'm going to build this or this. I think not that because it's just 2 here. You can see it. You can see it's just 1 here. So yeah, let's start building. The number 1 box, and we kind of need scissors for this. So this is a scissors, or we can just do that by our hands. I'll use the scissors at the second one because yeah, and I have to start building. And remember that Play-Doh one, and we have to wait 3 days to be a toy. But you want to see it, guys? I'll show you the one I built. Look, guys, it's here. It's like this, and it's like this. When you go to a gym, and then if you need a dumbbell, and then if you want to make it heavier, you can just use that, and then you have a dumbbell, and then you use a dumbbell. It's going to be a little bit heavier, but I can't put this back now. and again.
May.
And I'm done. Now I finished this first one, and then I have to do the second page. Now you can see this part, it looks nice. And then this to this, and then that, and that, and this, and this, and this, and this, and now I'm making. You like this, guys? You can see. And that looks pretty nice. You can see now it's pretty much done, and it looks pretty good. So now I'm done, guys. If you guys want to see how this looks like, it's like this. It's actually done. It's actually done. See you next time. And guys, bye.